beehive, not that one.
No, oh.
Can we do this one before?
Right.
I see double.
This one is segmented, it's a lot easier than the other ones. You take the lid off. And then you put that away from everything, that's it. You're right, Carl, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right, now take the top layer off. That,
Oh, fuck, is there a bag in there?
no, that's fondant. That's fondant, that. Oh, the net, all that. Take that off. Nice and, oh, whoa,
Why are you still attacking me?
Where's the screwdriver? Give Paul the screwdriver. I'll scroll it.
Come here, mate.
Screwdriver.
High pain threshold.
Right.
Fucking hell.
Part this here.
I'm
Part this
blowy.
here. From that. No, the one above the white. No, the one above the white. That's it. Yeah, it's corner. Go to lift that. Then you pick that up as a whole box. The whole box. And put it on top of that corner. Put it on top of here. Paul. Put it easily across there, Paul. Don't panic and drop that for fuck's sake. Put that across there. Diamond shape. Diamondly. That's it. Well done. See how calm that is. The bees are calm, mate. The bees are calm.
Fucking hell. Whoa! Fuck you!
Oh, no, come back, you.
Ah! Fuck off! Fuck!
Carl, go away now.
Ow! 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 Cheers, Paul! Fucking hell!
Put this back. Paul, you gotta put this back. Come on, mate.
Why am I getting some more than him? I feel like a great fucking angry black tomorrow. Heads like that. Fucking hell. You work out, no? Fucking hell, mate. That's still
Paul,
on
you
your
put this
car.
back. Paul, put it back.
Jesus Christ.
You need to put that back, mate. Put that, don't drop that. That's like liquid gold, mate, that.
Right, which way does it go?
Right, it goes.
Well.
Which way does it go? Don't drop it, mate. It's about £250 worth there, and there's a lot of bees and queens there. Just nettle stings, mate. You're not going to die. And that goes over there.
Ah, you bastard! Ah! Ah! Fuck! Ah! Fuck! Get off me! You fucking are all over me! Fucking hell! Fuck off! They're still there, you fuckers! Ah!
They're not, they're still there, Paul.
Do you want a bet? No, mate. I feel well. Ah! Fuck off! Sorry. Toy bees.
Mate, I can't believe you're doing that. Carl, what are you doing? Carl's really intoxicated with bee stings now.
Fucking hell.
Paul, have you been stung? Carl's walking around like a drone.
Well, that's my bee now.
Can you hear him?
Fucking thing.
Got stings sticking out of him. Right, are
you on to the next one?
That's my fucking beer.